Hey guys, in this video we are here to learn that how JavaScript can display data in different ways. So there are three ways that we are going to learn today, that are innerHTML, document.write, window.alert, or you can say simple alert. And also in the end of the video we will be learning that how can we print the current page using JavaScript only. So let's start with inner HTML. So it is used to change any existing kind of data of any tag like p tag. So here you can see that in our body tag I have one div, heading, p tag, and as well as we have the button with on click event, this func. So that is display function. Okay, so let's start from inner HTML. So let's say function this func, yes, and then okay. So what I want to say over here is I want to, yes, so what I want is, first let's write document dot get element by id. Yes, then let's come over here and we can put some id in here. That can be para, and then we can move up over here. Yes, now we can say I want to select para and then dot inner HTML. That will just change the value, and I will say hello everyone, and we can say changed. Okay, so let's see if this works. Refresh, and you can see earlier there was this paragraph, and when the moment I clicked this button, I'm like the text changed to this hello everyone changed. And as you can see, I gave it in this, and that means that inner HTML is used to change the existing kind of data, like the data that was there in the p tag is changed, and we now have hello everyone changed. So like this you can use inner HTML for your projects. Now let's just comment this part because we need to use the same function for various type of display. Okay, now over here, how can we use write document.write? Now document.write is like when we were using inner HTML, it changed the value of a particular tag. Whenever we use document.write, it will make a particular text appear on the screen, and it will change only when the screen is refreshed. Now let me show you how this works. So function, the function name is this func, and we can just open the brackets and we can say document, because this will make the content appear on the full screen, and that's why there is no need to specify any tag or whatever, because it is already like it is already default to change the whole screen's content. Like that means, for example, there is some content on my screen and I am using document.write. Whenever I will press a button, or whenever the condition like on click and on load kind of thing happens, at that time my screen will turn white with the content I wrote over here. So document.write. And also remember that this JavaScript accepts both double quotes and single quotes. So I can say hello everyone. Okay, now let's just save it and run it. I think I forgot, yes. Okay, now you can see how it happens. So let me just do it again. Here is my content, JavaScript. This is a heading, the paragraph, Actually, this is the normal size, but I have just increased. Okay, so this is the heading, the content, and the button. Whenever I click on this button, when the on click event happens, I am having this text saying hello everyone. And that's how you use the document.write whenever you want that the user cannot return to this page without refreshing. Now, for example, again, I will click on this button and you can see it is like this. I cannot press any back button over here. Whenever I will refresh, then only I will return back to the page. And that's how you can use document.write. Now let's just again comment this one too. Okay. Now how can we have a alert box in our HTML project? So alert box is simply whenever I click on this button, I want an alert to be appearing over here, and it can have some sort of message. We will be discussing more about on this topic in our further videos. Now we can have like function this func, and we can say window.alert, or you can say simply write alert, but still I'm writing window.alert. Now what kind of alert you want? You can say I am the alert, and then save it and refresh the screen. Now whenever I will press on this button, you can see I'm getting this kind of alert. I am the alert. So this is how you can use the alert, you can say function. And if you remove this window, then also it will work because it is acceptable in JavaScript. You can see it is working fine as it was like earlier. Okay, so this one is also done, and now okay, and now you can see here the same thing is mentioned that you can skip the window keyword like I did over here. So here we can use two things. I can just add that to window.alert, and I can give the space over here. So you can write it like either like this or like this as per your choice. Now how can we, this is the last topic of the day, and now we will have a look at how can we just print the page on which we are. So like in many sites you see the option to print this page, and that is what we are going to learn today. So JavaScript does not have any print object or print methods. Remember that all these 3 points. Actually these are three, but I need to comment them like this. So this is the first point. The second point, you cannot access output devices from JavaScript, and this is the third one. That is the only exception is that you can call the window.print method, or you can say in the browser to print the content of the current window. Remember that. So this is very important over here. Now let's move down, and so also remember that we can use window.print. This is how you can just print the content of the, you can say, current page. So you window.print, and yes, now save it, run it. Now click me, and see you are getting the option to print the current page. If I, you can see it is loading the preview, and here it is. So this is how you can how the JavaScript displays the data in different ways. Also there is console.log. Like if I show you that too, I can copy one of these, and okay, now if I paste it over here and I remove these comments, and this. Okay, now what I can do is I can say console.log and you can put whatever you want. Hello. Now if I run this now, you will not be able to see anything on the screen. I think yes, we have this over here. We didn't change it. Yes. So this funk. Okay, now it will work. Whenever we press on this button, you will see that there is no change on the screen. But let's just click on right click and go to inspect. Over here, go to console. You can see we are getting this hello. From where this hello came, I hope you can relate that console.log you can say gives whatever is written there over here. Now if we refresh and see it is empty right now, and if I have, yes, we can change this to JavaScript tutorial so that you can see the difference in the output. Now refresh it, click me, JavaScript tutorial. So this is console.log, one of the different methods in which JavaScript displays the value. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more such videos. I will be coming back soon with another interesting video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.